Okay. So we have completed our topics up to day 22 action class. Okay. So we have completed day 22. We have left only with one lab. Okay. That is Catalan recorder. Okay. So what is this Catalan recorder? Lab number 11 we are going to discuss. Okay. So let's go to the lab number 11. So what is a Catalan recorder means? It is a record and playback tool. You no need to inspect any of the setup driver instructions. Everything that tool will provide all the setup driver instructions, and simply you can copy those setup driver instructions and you can make it as the required method names and you can call the methods. So right now what we are doing, we are writing all the setup driver instructions. We are inspecting each and every web element manually. But this tool, whenever you are interacting with any login page or anything, the scripting will be generated in background automatically. And simply you can copy those set of driver instructions and you can paste it in your testng class and you can segregate those methods accordingly. So that kind of reporting tool, it's an advanced tool. So now let's see that part. So first of all, I'm telling how to install Catalan recorder in your system. Okay. So I'm going to install my Catalan recorder for Chrome. Catalan recorder for Chrome. So like this, you need to type, you need to search in Google and you can click on this one and it is asking add to Chrome. Okay, just I'm clicking on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. So turn on sync. So I'm giving my Gmail credentials. Yes, I am in. Okay. So now my Catalan recorder installation was completed. Okay. So now let's go and check. So just click on this add-in symbol here and click on this Catalan recorder. So this is the add-in. Okay. So like this, your Catalan recorder window will be open. Okay. This is the Catalan recorder studio. Okay. So now I'm going to click on new test. So I'm going to create TC01 underscore add nationalities. I'm clicking on OK. So I'm clicking. So before that, ensure in the current page, you can open your Orange HRM website. Wherever you have started that session. Okay. So now let's go to the, now I'm clicking on recording. And now I am going to perform the scenario admin 123 and click on login button. See, set of events are hiring. It is triggering automatically. So I'm clicking on admin. After that, I'm clicking on nationalities, add button, Indian 165, and I'm clicking on save. So my okay, everything was completed. So go to the Catalan recorder and click on stop recording. Okay, and after that, once you stop your recording, so these are the actions that we have performed just now. Okay, and I'm clicking on export tab. So here, once you click on export tab, you can select WebDriver plus TestNG, Java WebDriver plus TestNG. So you can copy @test, Control C, and I'm going back to my TestNG program. Okay, so create one TestNG class. Test 8, and I'm clicking on finish. I am removing and I'm writing @test. So this is the set of driver instructions which was given by our Catalan record. So just I'm declaring my WebDriver. Okay, and you need to import this WebDriver supporting object. So import WebDriver, it's imported. And you also need to import wherever issues are coming, just keep the mouse over and keep import supporting libraries. So it's imported, all the supporting libraries imported. And so you know how to launch the browser. We already know driver is equal to test browser dot open Chrome browser. One second. So just I'm copying. Finish my test automation completed. So I'm launching my browser. Okay. And after that, so what is my application URL? Up to here I am taking. So I don't want everything. And after that, let's understand how what is the code has been generated by tool. So if it is text field, the tool is providing 3 lines of code. So first it is clicking on the text field. After that, if there is any existing code is there, it is clearing the text. And after that, it is typing the value. And let's go to the password. Password, it is clicking and it's clearing and it is typing send kiss. And if it is login button click operation, it is giving directly button login dot click. And admin dot click, nationality dot click, add button dot click, and nationality name. It's a text field. It is giving 3 lines of code. So click, clear, and send kiss. And finally button save dot click. So that is what it has executed. So I want to create Indian 166. So let me save my program and execute my program. Done. Your automation completed. How much time it is taking? So this is the tool. Okay, open source tool. This is a Catalan Recorder, is an open source software. It is a record and playback tool. How much time it is taking for me to automate? Just 2 minutes. So let me automate one more scenario. Okay, let's do one more scenario. So in the same session, I want to continue. Okay, I'm doing logout and keep it in starting mode. Okay, so let's continue one more scenario. Clicking on record. Sorry, I'm stopping. So first of all, I want to create a new test. Clicking on new test, TC01 underscore add skills. Is it created? One second. One second. Okay, let me create TC02 underscore add skills. Maybe data. Okay. Okay, I think this is some license issue it is asking me. So one second, refresh. Okay, let me start recording and I will try. Okay, so I'm clicking on recording. So the recording was started. Okay, and I'm going to start my session. So one second. Welcome logout. So I want to start now. Admin 123. Click on login button. I want to click on admin, qualifications, skills, add button, Java 15 description, and I'm clicking on save. So my automation completed. So just I'm stopping. So go to export section. So previously what happened? So this is the part already generated. I don't want everything this way. Okay, let me copy this one. Control A, Control C. So what is the one test8.java we have done? So the same test copy and I'm doing paste. Test 9 I'm giving. Okay. So test9.java. So what are the lines of code I want to keep? So let me delete everything here. So all the setup driver instructions. And what is the lines of code I required? So I'm copying the entire test method first of all. One second. Let me copy from Catalan Recorder. So this is the @ test method I am copying. Control C, and I copied here. Okay, one second. So this method was came 2 times. So just I'm renaming. Okay. So let's analyze this code. So first, once you navigate to login page, you are giving login section. So up to here, login section completed. And after that, admin nationality. So previously we have done on the same scenario we have done. So let me remove the previous part. Okay, one second. Admin menu, admin qualifications. So application URL and login button. After that, it is clicking admin qualifications, skills, add button, skill name, click clear and send keys, skill description, click clear and send keys, button save dot click. Okay. So your test was automated. That's it. So you need to write only launching our browser. So this time if I will execute my program, okay, here your add skills was executed. TC02 and I can give whatever I want. So I'm not writing @ test here so that it won't be executed. So your testng class contains this is your test method is the main method. So it will be executed. Okay, let me run my program. And I have given Java 15. This time I will give Java 16 and I will give Java 16 description. And let me run my program. So this is the tool will help you. Even non-technical people also can able to write very easily. Okay. Here this tool is no need to inspect any of the web element. It is giving automatically as per your interactions and everything. Something went wrong. Element not interactable exception. Okay, let me rerun it. Admin qualification skills add button save done. That's it. Your test was executed successfully. So like this, you can so this Catalan recorder will give you setup driver instructions automatically. Okay, just follow this Catalan recorder. So this is the easiest tool. By using this tool, anybody can able to write okay Selenium scripting. Okay, so that's it for today's class. So we have completed successfully all up to lab number 22 labs. Okay, make sure before attending on Monday's class, okay, make sure that you have completed all your labs up to 22. Okay, so we have completed up to 22 topics. Okay, so anyway, this running notes I can share you. Yeah, that's it for today. Okay, we'll see on Monday. Yeah, thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.